this video, we are going to study about theorems of circle chapter. First theorem is chord bisection theorem. Chord bisection theorem. What does this theorem say? If a perpendicular is drawn from the center of the circle to the chord, so this is your chord AB, this is your center O, and I am drawing a perpendicular OM. So what does this theorem say? If I draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle on the chord, then it bisects the chord. That means what is given? Given OM is perpendicular to AB, and what I have to prove? To prove AM is equal to MB. Okay, it is a easy construction. Join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. So both of them are equal, radius of the same circle. This is the common side and this is 90 degree. So in triangle OMA and triangle OMB, hypotenuse OA is equal to hypotenuse OB, radius of same circle. Then angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degree given, and OM is congruent to OM, common side. Therefore triangle 1, 2, 3 is congruent to triangle 1, 2, 3. How I write in case of hypotenuse RHS? How I write the congruency? I start from the hypotenuse and I go to the common side. So it is AOM. AOM is congruent to BOM. BOM by RHS test. By RHS test. Therefore, can I say AM is congruent to BM? Therefore, AM is congruent to BM, CP, CT, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, please note down this. Okay, now we will study converse of chord bisection theorem. Second is converse of chord bisection theorem. In converse of chord bisection theorem, this is second theorem, and we'll write converse of chord bisection theorem. In converse, it is not given this 90 degree. So what is given in this case? Given OM, AM is equal to MB. This is given. Okay, you have to prove OM is perpendicular to AB. In previous theorem it was given perpendicular, you have to prove AM is equal to MB. In this theorem it is given AM is equal to MB, you have to prove it is perpendicular. Okay, so consider triangle OMA and triangle OMB. Can I say OM is congruent to OM? Yes, it is common. Common side. AM is congruent to AM, is congruent to MB. It is given. And OA is congruent to OB. It is radius of same circle. Therefore, triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB. By which test? By SSS test. Therefore, angle OMA is congruent to angle OMB, which is equal to x. This and this angle are equal, so let them be x. CPCT. But can I say x plus x, but x plus x equal to 180 degree? It is linear pair, right? So therefore 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 90 degree. So x is 90 degree. Therefore OM is perpendicular to AB and hence proved. Okay, I hope you all understood. Please note it down. Video, we shall be solving sum number 6 of exercise 10.4. What is given? A circular park. So you have a circular park of radius 20 meters. So this is the center. 3 boys, Ankur, Sayyad and David. So you have Ankur over here, you have Sayyad over here, and you have David over here, are sitting at equal distance on the boundary. So this distance is equal. So this is AS, this is AD, and this is SD. Having a toy telephone in his hand to talk to each other, find the length of the string in each phone. This means you have to find AS, SD and AD. They are equal distance, so definitely this and this is equal. So can I say given AS is equal to SD is equal to AD, and I will take it as 2x. So all three are equal. This is 2x, this is 2x, and this is 2x. Okay, what I have to find, basically I have to find the value of 2x, right? So now how I start the sum? Again I will be using the same property which we have used in the last sum. I will join first. Let us join SD. Let this center be O. So I have joined this and I have connected this. Okay, now consider triangle OSD. This is my O, this is my S, and this is my D. Can I say OS and OD are equal? Radius of the same circle, and that nothing but 20, right? So this is also 20 and this is also 20. So therefore can I say O lies on perpendicular bisector. Suppose I extend this and I bring it up till this point M. I am extending AO up till point M. So I'll have one construction: extend AO to point M. Okay, extend AO to point M. Now O lies on the perpendicular bisector of SD. Also in triangle ASD. Can I say in triangle ASD? This is your A, this is my S, this is my D, this and this is equal 2x each. So therefore AS is equal to SD. So A lies on perpendicular bisector of SD. Now A is on the perpendicular bisector, O is also on the perpendicular bisector. Therefore AO is the perpendicular bisector of SD, or I can say AM is the perpendicular bisector of SD. So therefore I can say angle OMS is equal to 90 degree and SM is equal to MD is equal to half into 2x. So you get cancel this. So this property I will write it as equation 1. Note down this much. So this first part is same. You just have to prove that this is a perpendicular bisector. If this is a perpendicular bisector, then if I extend it, that whole line is a perpendicular bisector. Got it? Now, in the next part, we are going to use a special property of a triangle. Okay. So we know triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle and O is the center of its circumcircle. So O is the center of the circumcircle of triangle ASD. बरोबर है? O is the center of its circumcircle. So therefore O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Okay, so now let OM is equal to A. This is A and AO is equal to 20. Okay, so there is a property of circumcenter, or we can say centroid. What is the property? This circumcenter, it divides the height in the ratio 2:1. Circumcenter divides the height in the ratio 2:1. So this is A, O and this is M. This is A and this is 20 and this is. So we know O divides AM in the ratio this part from the vertex it will be 2:1. So therefore AO upon OM is equal to 2/1. So therefore what is AO? AO is nothing but 20 upon OM. OM is how much? It is nothing but A is equal to 2/1. Therefore when I cross multiply, A is equal to 20/2, which is equal to 10 meter. So what is the value of A? It is 10 meter. Just note it down. Okay. Now consider triangle OMS. O, M and S. How much is this distance? A. How much is this distance? H. See, this is a perpendicular bisector. This is 2x. So this is x and this is x, right? And how much is this distance? 20. So in right angle triangle OMS, can I say OS square is equal to OM square plus x square? But what is OS? OS is nothing but 20 square. What is OM? I just found out. OM was 10. So 10 square plus x square. So therefore x square is equal to 20 square minus 10. So x square is equal to 400 minus 100. X square is equal to 300. Therefore x is equal to square root of 300. X is equal to square root of 3 into square root of 100, which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Now what is length of the wire? Length is equal to basically it is your 2x, right? So it is 2x. So this is 2 into 10 root 3 meter, which is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay, note it down. Thank you.